Welcome to the C++ lecture. Here we have an example of a sea. If drop of water will be added into a sea, then if we have one question that where this drop is, then there is no answer about this drop of water. If we wish that answer, then we must have one container to store this drop of water. Now we have one more question, that how much water a glass can contain. The answer is as per the capacity. Here different size of glasses are there. As we know, each glass can contain water as per its capacity. So, our today's topics are: first, what is variable, what is data type, and types of data type. First is, what is variable? A memory place where one can store value is called a variable. A value in a form of different type which is known as data type. This variable occupies fixed memory size. Here we have an example in a figure. At first, variable name, and we can store some value into a variable. Next is, what is data type? Common data types are used by most of the programming languages. Data type can define meaning of the data. In short, it is a type of data or value which we would like to store in a variable. As we have seen that a glass of water can contain water as per its capacity. Here we have some categories of data types as per its capacity. 1. User defined, 2. Built-in, and 3rd is derived. Structure, union, and enum are part of user defined data types. Integer, character, float, double, boolean, and void are part of built-in data type. Array, function, and pointer are part of derived data type. Now some more detail about data type. Here, integer can occupy 4 bytes. Keyword of integer is int. So, now our question is, what is an integer? An integer data type can store a number, or we can say whole number. Whole number means a number without decimal point. Next is floating point. Again, it occupies 4 bytes. Keyword of float is float. It stores a number with decimal point. Next is double floating point. It occupies 8 bytes. Keyword of it is double. It stores number with decimal point but up to 15 digits. Next is boolean. Keyword of it is bool. It occupies 1 byte and it is used to store either true or false. Next is character. It occupies 1 byte. Keyword of it is char, C-H-A-R. It stores a single character. One can store a number as a character also. Next is void. It will not occupy any bytes. So, it occupies 0 bytes. It is not used to store anything. And the keyword of it is void. Today we have covered what is variable, what is data type, and some basic types of data types. Into the next lecture, we will continue with the practicals of data types. Thank you.